Welcome back to Matt's Automotive Milestones. Please subscribe for more automotive history. We have a lot in store. The 1992 Lincoln Mark VII LSC is a fascinating chapter in the history of American luxury cars. When it debuted in the early 80s, the Mark VII was a bold statement, part of Lincoln's effort to redefine itself in a market that was becoming increasingly competitive. By 1992, the LSC trim had established itself as a performance-oriented variant of the model, combining luxury with a hint of sportiness that was quite appealing to a diverse group of buyers. The design of the Mark VII LSC was unmistakably bold, characterized by its long hood and sharp, angular lines. It had a presence that demanded attention, with a wide stance and a sleek silhouette that seemed to slice through the air. The car's aerodynamic design was not just for looks. It also contributed to improved fuel efficiency and performance, which were significant considerations for consumers at the time. The LSC trim featured unique details, such as a distinct grille and more aggressive styling cues that set it apart from the standard models. Under the hood, the 1992 LSC housed a powerful 5.0-liter V8 engine, which was a significant upgrade from its predecessors. This engine was lifted from the 5-liter Mustang and developed 225 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque, offering a blend of power and smoothness that made driving enjoyable. The LSC was equipped with a 4-speed automatic transmission that provided a seamless driving experience, whether you were cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. This combination of power and handling made it a favorite among enthusiasts who were looking for more than just a comfortable ride. Inside, the Mark VII LSC offered an array of luxurious features that were typical of Lincoln at the time. Plush leather seats, a premium sound system, and a well-appointed dashboard created an inviting atmosphere. The cabin was spacious, providing ample legroom for both front and rear passengers, making it ideal for long drives or just enjoying a night out. Lincoln also included advanced technology for its era, like digital gauges and a sophisticated climate control system, which added to the overall appeal of the car. Despite its many strengths, the 1992 Lincoln Mark VII LSC faced challenges. As the automotive landscape shifted during the early 90s, consumers began to gravitate towards smaller, more fuel-efficient vehicles. The luxury market was also evolving, with European manufacturers gaining ground. This shift put pressure on American automakers to innovate continually, and while the LSC was well received, it ultimately became one of the last of its kind before Lincoln paused production of the Mark series until the Mark VIII arrived. Today, the 1992 Lincoln Mark VII LSC holds a special place in the hearts of collectors and automotive enthusiasts. It represents a time when American cars were synonymous with comfort and style, blending performance with luxury in a way that is often hard to find in modern vehicles. For those who appreciate the craftsmanship and design of classic cars, the LSC is not just a mode of transportation. It's a symbol of an era that celebrated boldness and sophistication. As we reflect on the legacy of the Mark VII LSC, it serves as a reminder of the innovation and ambition that defined American automotive engineering during the late 20th century.